21 मिनट की एक्शन सीक्वेंस, 21 मिनट की एक्शन सीक्वेंस. Once enough people have watched this movie on Netflix, this is all anyone is going to be talking about. 21 मिनट की seemingly one take action sequence. And means we'll also get to it. काफी incredible है, but बाकी भी है ना डिस्कस करने के लिए. आ जाओ. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel where we've got reviews, interviews and hopefully more fun things soon. Today we're talking about Sam Hargrave की Extraction 2, written by Joe Russo and others, starring Golshifteh Farahani, Chris Hemsworth in the lead roles, now streaming on Netflix. Straight up going in, I wouldn't fault you for asking, पिछली वाली नहीं देखी तो will this make sense? Because even if you watch part 1 in 2020, chances are the most one remembers from it is India में काफी shooting करी थी. दिल पे हाथ रख के सच बताओ, किसको याद है पंकज त्रिपाठी was in that one? And Priyanshu Payuli was the main bad guy? So this time Sam Hargrave is allowing people to enter with kind of a blank slate by Sam Hargraving it up to 11, in that the main takeaway he wants his audience to have is how seemingly impossible to achieve and yet cinematic in the most contemporary ways his action sequences are. Doesn't matter what happened in the previous film. Our jumping off points here are all easy to understand, common stereotypes, don't stress. The movie does allude to having an emotional core. There are 4 different families, the Khans, the Tylers, a Georgian gangster family, and a family at the center of the extraction, each having experienced deep personal loss. But the movie's overarching goal is to wow you with how good Sam Hargrave is at conceptualizing and directing action, and how meticulously cinematographer Greg Baldi executes his vision. Yes, there is a 21-minute action sequence where Chris Hemsworth Tyler enters and escapes from a prison and the first major extraction occurs. The choreography is a thing of beauty, and so are editor Alex Rodriguez's cuts and clever patches. Chris Hemsworth, Golshifteh Farahani, Georgian actor Tinatin Dalakishvili, I'm so sorry, 2 child actors and a bajillion performers moving in and out of frames and stances, stunt coordinators setting off fires, helicopters getting shot out of the skies, a brakeless train at one point. It's breathless and executed to perfection. Absolutely no notes. These are the best technicians in the world, bringing their A game and more. I suspect it takes a small army of on-set continuity supervisors to make sure the end product looks as seamless as it does. Another comparison you will hear a lot of is the opening civil unrest sequence from last year's epic French movie Athena, also on Netflix. हालांकि वो sequence comparatively छोटी है, like 11 मिनट की I think, but उसी में director Romain Gavras paints the picture of a nation in turmoil, different sections revolting in different ways, all of it rapidly moving towards certain anarchy. In that opening shot, we don't know any characters. We have no context on what's come before and where any of this is headed. But we are hooked. We're invested. The full tone of the film is set. Its viewers are in a chokehold, crying for the brothers whose immediate lives they're about to see unfold. Like the one-take sequence, the rest of the film is one night, one housing complex. The extraction sequence feels more mechanical and doesn't quite help establish a deeper emotional connection with the characters. Beyond the immediate reaction the archetypes elicit. A mother trying to save her children, a mercenary with a troubled past, chosen family. What follows instead is another extraction a few sequences later, this time from a skyscraper, which while thrilling, still only serves the purpose of showing us cool gun use and some imaginative new ways to show violent murder, one of which is a literal rake going through an unsuspecting man's throat. It's not pretty. Joe Russo's writing, an adaptation of the graphic novel Siddharth, also incorporates some global politics, which I'm not well versed in, hence I won't get into. But if it's good for Golshifteh at this point, it's good for me. As Nick Khan, even when she's wearing designer clothes, her character is on the opposite end of the spectrum from Deepika Padukone in Pathaan. Conventionally attractive, but that's not what she's bringing to the table. In true commercial blockbuster fashion, she gets stabbed, trapped in an overturned car, shot at, brutally attacked, and yet remains just as indestructible as Tyler Rake. Both say. Eventually, I wondered the case the movie was making for people who kill other people for money and the life such people deserve or are condemned to. Then I reminded myself, this is Extraction 2. Chris Hemsworth is beautiful. And social commentary की जगह Idris Elba मिल रहा है ना, चाहिए तो लो. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Extraction 2 is one training montage nurses Tyler back to not just health but fighting form, which would take years to achieve for someone who was clinically dead 9 months ago. Then I reminded myself, this is Extraction 2. Here's a reminder for you, please subscribe to my channel before you leave. This week, I'm also talking about Kandahar and Adipurush. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.